One more thing you need to note is that the date launcher alignment is not always fixed to the right. It aligns itself depending on the alignment that already exists. As I said before, this date picker was built with caution, making sure that by all means it should not be an obstruction, and that it does not confine you in doing things otherwise. So, you still have an option to align left, right, and so on as you always do. However, you must leave room for it to fit in. So, if your alignment is on the right, it will align left and vice versa. However, if your alignment is centered, it will right align. Therefore, leave room for it on the right.